In order to create lightweight Python virtual environment, it only expects that Python installation is complete. So you can check the Python installation within your system with the help of Python version. So I'm just checking it, Python version. So in my system, I have installed Python 3.8.3, right? So the next step, you need to create Python virtual environment with the help of this command, Python -m and vnv. And after that, you need to supply the environment name you would like to attach with your virtual environment. So here I am defining it as env. Press enter. Okay, and it has now created a folder called env, right? So this is my Python virtual environment, and I can use it for whatever way you would like to use this Python virtual environment, right? So this is the first step. The second step, you need to activate that environment. So in order to activate that environment, we need to follow this command to source the environment name / bin, then activate. Press enter. So you can see env. So this has activated my Python virtual environment, right? And here we can just try to see what Python version it has installed. So you can see it has installed Python 3.8.3. So that's the version it has taken from the base, right? And now you can check whether you are able to import any packages within that environment or not, right? So it says that no model found, which is correct, right? Because right now we haven't installed anything in that Python virtual environment. So let's try. We'll exit from here, and within this environment, we'll try to install pandas. We'll install pandas within our environment, and after that, we'll check whether we're able to import pandas successfully or not. Just give us a couple of seconds, and hopefully it would be finished soon. Yes, it's finished. Now we'll go to Python, and now we'll try to import it. Import pandas. So it is successful, right? So that's the way of creating Python virtual environment and install whatever packages you need. Perform any machine learning or any Python activity where you need to segregate your environment based on different version of your Python or based on different version of your packages. And that's a clean way of making any development activities more effective and efficient, right? We'll try to see how we can install Jupyter Lab within the Python virtual environment, and for that I would be using Python install Jupyter Lab. So it will install Jupyter Lab within my Python virtual environment, and once the installation would be completed, we'll launch Jupyter Lab for performing interactive data analysis or interactive machine learning. Right, so my installation is complete, and now we'll create one kernel, right? So that we can uh, communicate from Jupyter frontend to backend, right? Because that's the way of coordinating it. So I have already covered that topic separately. So here I am just defining Python IPY kernel, then install user name of your environment. So here I am giving pn Python, and now I will be giving display name. Display name, and this name would be visible in your Jupyter Lab. So we need to connect Jupyter Lab virtual environment version of Jupyter Lab with this kernel name. So whatever name I would be giving here, so here I am giving pn 3.8.3, right? So in this way, my Jupyter Lab frontend will know that where I need to run all those commands, right? So it will recognize with the help of this name. And now I'd be launching Jupyter Lab. Will open. Okay. And now we have lots of different kernel available, right? So I have created this one. So we'll open it. And now we'll try to import pandas, right? We're able to install it. If we'll install something different, uh, say for example, ML flow, it will not, right? Because we haven't installed ML flow in that Python virtual environment, and it will fail. Or we can just try sklearn, right? It's we haven't installed with anything in that environment, and we can simply check it. So before installing, we'll try to install any packages. So pip install scikit learn, right? So we can either run the pip install directly from here, and here I have given exclamation mark, which indicates that we are running this command in the command prompt, or we can run this command within our virtual environment. So the way we did for pandas, right? So either way, whatever is convenient for you, just use it. Okay, and we'll install it. So it is installing in my Python virtual environment. It is, and after that we'll import it. Okay, learn, right? So that confirm that this is complete. So that's the way of making any deployment within your Python virtual environment, and that provides a very clean and efficient way of managing different version of different packages or Python version within your environment. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Thank you.